So let's start by discussing the importance of clear and concise content on a website. So content should be easy to read, relevant, and provide value to the user. You want to avoid industry jargon and complex language that can confuse visitors. It might make you feel better to sound smart, but if your users can't understand it, it's not going to help. Use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make content more digestible. Co-conspirators can help you create content that effectively communicates your message to users. Consistency in content tone and style is also crucial for a user-friendly experience. Also, use images and multimedia to complement and enhance the content on your website. So make sure that your website's content is regularly updated to keep users engaged. Incorporate clear calls to action that guide users on what to do next. Co-conspirators can help craft content that resonates with a target audience and drives conversions. Next, let's talk about the importance of easy navigation on a website. So a user-friendly website should have clear and straightforward menu structures. Users should be able to find what they're looking for quickly and easily with minimal clicks. Also include a search function to help users find content quickly and easily. Co-conspirators can help design websites with an intuitive navigation structure. A user-friendly website should also look to include breadcrumbs to help users track their location on the website. Consider also adding a sticky navigation menu that remains visible as users scroll. You'll also want to avoid using too many drop-down menus because it can be a little overwhelming and confusing for some users. Use clear and descriptive labels for menu items and links. Co-conspirators has the expertise to design websites that are easy to navigate, ensuring users find what they're looking for. Now let's dive into the importance of fast load times for a user-friendly website. Slow loading websites can frustrate users and lead to high bounce rates. Optimize images, use a content delivery network, and minimize the use of heavy scripts to improve load times. Regularly test your website's speed and make necessary improvements. Co-conspirators has the expertise to ensure websites load quickly and efficiently. Regularly check and optimize your website's code to improve load times. Consider using lazy loading for images in order to speed up page loading, and use cache to store copies of your website's files, thus reducing load times for returning visitors. You want to choose reliable web hosting that can handle your website's traffic. Co-conspirators will ensure that your website is optimized for speed, providing a seamless user experience. Let's now look at the importance of mobile responsiveness for a user-friendly website. With more people accessing the web on mobile devices now, a mobile responsive design is essential. So ensure your website automatically adjusts to fit different screen sizes and resolutions and devices. Test your website on multiple devices to ensure that it looks right and functions well on all of them. Co-conspirators specializes in creating mobile responsive websites that provide an excellent user experience. You want to optimize images and multimedia content for mobile devices to improve load times. Consider the user's touch interaction when designing buttons and other clickable elements. You want to pay attention to text size and spacing to ensure readability on small screens. So test your website on a variety of devices and browsers to ensure consistency. Co-conspirators, as you might have guessed, specializes in mobile responsive design, ensuring websites look great on any device. Last, let's explore the importance of accessibility in a user-friendly website. An accessible website can be used by people of all abilities and disabilities. Ensure that your website meets accessibility standards, such as using alt text for images and providing text alternatives for multimedia content. Regularly test your website for accessibility and make necessary improvements. Co-conspirators is committed to creating accessible websites that are inclusive for all users. You're going to want to ensure that your website is navigable with a keyboard or a screen reader, and use clear and descriptive language for links and buttons. Provide transcripts for audio content and captions for video content. And you'll, of course, want to test your website with accessibility tools and sync feedback from users with disabilities. Co-conspirators is committed to creating accessible websites that meet the needs of all users, thus ensuring compliance with accessibility standards.